Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. 8th class. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine. Student, let's start our science work. Open your science books and copies. This is your science lecture. Open your books and copies. Student, let's start our work with the name of Allah Almighty. Today is the Tuesday, 18th of May 2021. Student, as we have started our chapter number 5, chemical reactions. Students, today we will do the types of the chemical reaction. First of all, what is the chemical reaction? Student, I have explained you about the chemical reaction in detail in my previous videos. What is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is the process in which reactants combine and produce the product. So this is known as chemical reaction. Students, chemical reaction is represented by chemical equation. Today we will discuss about the types of chemical reaction, that what are the types of chemical reactions. Student, we have two types of chemical reactions. Number first one is the combination reaction and number second one is the decomposition reaction. As the first of all discuss combination reaction. Student, as the name indicates, combination mean combine. So combination reaction is that reaction in which two or more substances combine together and form the new substance. Here the combination reaction is also known as synthesis or addition reaction. Synthesis means making. For example, when two or more substances combine together, they synthesize the new product. So this is known as synthesis reaction. And addition reaction, here addition is because the the plus sign shows the addition. When two or more substance adds together, they form the new product. So this reaction is known as synthesis or addition reaction. Students, here when two or more substances in the combination reaction are, as the name indicates, two or more substance elements or compound simply combine together and form a new substance. So this is known as combination reaction. Now let me explain it with the help of some examples. Students, first of all, first example is the melanous substance burnt. It combined with oxygen present in the air. For example, magnesium ribbon burns with the dazzling light. During burning, it combines with the oxygen gas, as here Mg shows magnesium, O2 shows oxygen. Students, when the magnesium burns in the presence of the oxygen, they form magnesium oxide. Students, you can see that here the plus sign shows that this is the addition reaction. Here, number one reactant and number two reactant. Here two reactants combine together, add together and produce the new compound. So this reaction is known as combination reaction. As you know, as you can see that here two molecules, two reactants combine together and produce the new product. So this is the combination reaction. Next is carbon and oxygen combined together. This plus sign shows that these both are combined together, and this arrow sign shows that reaction is proceeding. So when carbon and oxygen combine together, they form carbon dioxide. This is also the combination reaction. Next is hydrogen and chlorine combined together and form hydrochloric acid. Next is nitrogen and hydrogen combined together and form ammonia. Next is sodium and chlorine combined together and produce sodium chloride. Next is calcium oxide. Ca represents calcium, Na represents sodium, N2 represents nitrogen. So CaO means calcium oxide, plus means they are adding. Next, CO2 means carbon dioxide, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide combine together and produce calcium carbonate. CaCO3 means calcium carbonates. Next, this is same equation as above, and magnesium plus oxygen combine together and produce magnesium oxide. So students, I hope you all get the understand the combination reaction. Combination reaction is simply the adding of the reactant, and when the reactants add, they form the new products. Next type of a reaction, chemical reaction, is decomposition reaction. As the name indicates, decomposition means decompose, break down. is this the reverse of combination reaction. In the combination reaction, reactants combine together, and in the decomposition reaction, reaction break down. So the definition of the decomposition reaction is: in decomposition reaction, one single compound break down into two or more simpler compounds. Now let me explain it with the help of some examples. An example of this is the decomposition of zinc carbonate. This is represented by this equation. Zinc carbonate, Zn means zinc, CO3 means carbonate. Zinc carbonates, when break down, it produces zinc and carbon dioxide. Next example is calcium carbonate. This is reverse of this reaction. Here calcium oxide and carbon dioxide combine together and produce calcium carbonate. Here calcium carbonate is break down and produce calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Next is lead nitrate. Pb means lead, and this is the lead nitrate. When break down, it produces lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and the oxygen. Here this KClO3 break down and produce KCl plus oxygen. Here calcium hydroxide breaks down and produce calcium oxide and water. Here hydrogen carbonate break down and produce water and carbon dioxide. So students, these all are the examples of decomposition reaction. As you can notice that in these reaction no plus sign is present here. Simply the compound break down into the simpler compound. So this is the example. These are the examples of decomposition reaction. Students, today's classwork is to write a note on combination reaction and decomposition reaction. First of all, write the definition of both, and then write down any 6 example of the both. So this is your classwork. Do your classwork in your copies and then send me your work. Thank you, students.